Good morning, dear student. Class 6 Maths. Today it is turn up exercise 4.3. Before the exercise 4.3, we will learn about angle. We have learnt about rays. This is a ray and this one is second ray. Suppose this is OA and this is OB. Means the initial point of this ray is same as initial point of this ray. Okay, if both are at same place, otherwise change the name OACB. Now take the ray CB and put here coincide such that O and C are coincide. Suppose this is OA and again take it and put here OCB. Here C and O are at the same place, means C and OC coincided, means this ray and this ray have common point. So the name of C and O, let us change it, means like this. A, this is B, and this is the common point. This common point is belong to this ray and this ray. This type of shape is called angle. This is called angle. And this is common point. Suppose this common point is let us Q. So Q is the common point on ray QA and ray QB, such that we can say that ray about angle, if two rays have a common initial point, then these two rays form an angle, and these two rays are called arm of angle. And common point is called vertex of the angle. Let us again see. This is an angle QA, ray QA and ray QB are arm, means this is arm and this is arm, and Q is common point is called vertex. Thus angle have two parts. Angle is made of arms and vertex. One vertex, two arms. Suppose here is a point D. So D is called interior part of an angle. Suppose here is point E, then this is exterior. Suppose a point is here P, then this is on the angle. On the angle. So any point is maybe on the angle or in the angle or outside means exterior the angle. Thus now we will do the exercise. We have learned about the exercise 4.3, question number 1. In the figure name the angle. Dear children, first we will like to learn about the name the angle. Suppose this is an angle, common point O A B. So angle AOB, symbol is like that. The name of this angle is AOB. This can be written as BOA, but this cannot written as ABO. No, these are correct. Means O is the common point. This is the vertex. The vertex is always in the middle of the symbol AB. OA and OB, both two are raised and O is in middle because it is common. So common point should be in middle, and this cannot be written as AAOB. It is wrong. It should be written like block letter. बड़े अक्षर में लिखा जाना है, छोटे अक्षर में नहीं लिखना है. जो वर्टेक्स है वो बीच में है, उसको आपको यहाँ पर बीच में लिखना है. ऐसे नहीं लिखना है, या OBA नहीं लिखना है. तो अगेन इन द एक्सरसाइज figure is like that, ABCD. So this angle is called DAB, angle DAB. Second, this angle ABC means B बीच में होगा, ABC. It is wrong. What is right? Angle ABC. It can also written as CBA. Symbol of angles must be there. If you only write ABC, that is wrong. Again, this angle is BCD या DCB. Why? Because this angle have common point C, so C should be in middle. BCD means C is in middle of B and D. Third angle. Fourth angle is CDA. It can also written as ADC means C बीच में होना चाहिए. इसमें क्या लिख सकते हैं? DCB. इसमें क्या लिख सकते हैं? BAD. इसमें तो मैंने लिख ही दिया. तो हर एक में आपको एंगल का नाम लिखना है तो आपका बीच में होगा. अगेन क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Question number 2 is that in the diagram name the point. What is diagram? Diagram is like this. Here is O, here is D, here is E, here is F, here is C a point, here is a point B, here is a point A. in the interior of angle DOC. Where is DOC? C में इंटीरियर पॉइंट कितने हैं? 1 2 3. तो आंसर पॉइंट B, पॉइंट E एंड पॉइंट A. पॉइंट A. तो A E B. These 3 points are interior of angle DOC, DOE, B. The exterior of COF, EOF, exterior of EOF. Where is E? EOF के बाहर. EOF के बाहर ये भी है और ये भी है, ये भी है. तो आंसर हो जाएगा इन पॉइंट C, पॉइंट A, पॉइंट D. 3 points are out of EOF. इसके बाहर ये पॉइंट है, ये पॉइंट है, ये पॉइंट है, अंदर में दूसरे हैं. On EOF, पे B है. आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? पॉइंट B. On EOF, पॉइंट B. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. ड्रा करना है, ड्राइंग करना है. किस तरह? 2 एंगल्स ड्राई करना है. ड्रा 2 एंगल्स सच दैट आई एम राइटिंग इन शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन. 1 पॉइंट कॉमन. तो सपोज दिस इज 2 एंगल BOC, एंगल AOB एंड 1 पॉइंट कॉमन. तो दिस इज 1 पॉइंट कॉमन. B इज कॉमन या O इज कॉमन. नेक्स्ट 2 पॉइंट कॉमन. 2 पॉइंट कॉमन. 2 पॉइंट कॉमन के लिए यही चीज़ होगा और यहाँ पर B है, एक D ले लीजिए. तो D और B 2 पॉइंट कॉमन. 3 पॉइंट कॉमन. तो आप फिर से एक एंगल बनाइए, 2 एंगल ऐसे A B C D E. 3 पॉइंट कॉमन. ये 3 पॉइंट कॉमन है इस एंगल में. एक एंगल ये है, एक एंगल ये है. 3 पॉइंट कॉमन. फोर्थ है 1 रे कॉमन. तो 1 रे कॉमन बहुत ईजी है. वही एंगल होगा, ऐसे किया A B C O. तो OB इज कॉमन. OB is common for this angle and for this angle. OB is common between this and this. तो OB ray is common. इनमें 3 पॉइंट कौन कौन से हैं? पॉइंट्स E, D एंड B. 2 पॉइंट कौन कौन से हैं? पॉइंट्स D एंड B. 1 पॉइंट कौन कौन कॉमन है? B. तो 10 The chapter is exercise is over. Dear children, do the homework. Same question are done by you. Okay.